ma'am.
We were doing the exemplar questions.
Yeah, ma'am, we are in a 50 second, I think, sir.
55.
Yes, ma'am, 55. Yes, ma'am, we are 56.
Yes, we had done the question 55, we had done. And we have to do now question number 56. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now here you will do the questions. Now I think I have given you enough practice, and I'm expecting that you all must be doing practices at home. Okay. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see now. See the question. Please read the question. Ashwath, be careful. Read the question. Everyone, please pay attention. Of the 288 persons. Yes. What happened?
Should I read?
You want to read the question? Okay, read.
Of the 288 persons working in a company, 112 are men and the remaining are women. Find the ratio of the number of A men to that of women.
Men to the women.
Ma'am, 176 are women.
Ma'am, I got the answer as 7:11.
Same, ma'am. 7:11.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, we are unable to see the screen.
I'm sharing again. The moment we start, then something happens. Okay. Can you see now? Okay. 288 persons working in the company, 112 are men, remaining are women. Find the ratio of men to that of women. So here we are given total persons. Hello. We are given
Yes,
total
Yes,
number
ma'am.
of persons and number of men are given. So how many are the women? Ashwath, how many are the women?
Ma'am, 172. 176.
That means you will, out of all the people, you will subtract the number of men. Okay, so you will get number of women. Now find the ratio men to that of women. Find the first ratio.
Ma'am, the first one, A1 is 7:11, men to women. And I'm still doing the B1.
Yes. Others also got the same ratio.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am, I got the same answer.
Ma'am, the second one, men to the total number of persons is 7:18.
Total men to total number of persons. Okay. So men are 112, total persons are 288. Reduce this to lower form. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, 7:18.
I hope you can do
Yeah,
it.
ma'am, I also got 7:18.
Yes. Okay. The next one. Women to the total number of persons.
Ma'am, C is women to total number of persons is 11:18.
Okay.
Yeah,
Is
ma'am, it's
everybody
11:18. Yeah, ma'am, I got the same.
okay? Okay, now Adrit, you read the next question. Adrit will read the next question. Yes, Adrit, question number 57.
A rectangular sheet of paper
Yes,
is
good.
1.2
Thank you.
meter and width 21 centimeter. Find the ratio of width of the paper to its length.
Okay.
Ma'am, first we need to convert to it the centimeter.
Yes, you need to convert it to
Centimeter.
same unit. Okay, so convert it to centimeters. Convert, very good. Adrit will do.
Ma'am, 7:40.
Okay. Check with others also. Let others also do. Then we'll see if your answer matches with others also.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I got the answer 7:40.
7:40. Is everyone getting the same? 7:40?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
also getting the same.
Okay, so that is ratio of width of the paper to its length.
Yes.
So width of the paper is 21 centimeters and the length is 120 centimeters. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see the next. A scooter travels. So we are done with this part. I'm just putting a tick here that we are done with this part. Okay. Next one. A scooter travels 120 kilometers in 3 hours and a train travels 100. Did we do this yesterday? I think.
No, ma'am.
No. Maybe similar type of question.
Yeah, ma'am, we did it with a bus and train.
Bus and train. Okay. A scooter travels 120 kilometers in 3 hours and a train travels 120 kilometers. That means the same distance in 2 hours. Find the ratio of their speeds. So you have to find the ratio of their speeds. So this is 120 kilometer.
Ma'am, we should find how much kilometers they travel in 1 hour.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, speed is equals
That
And
to
ma'am,
that
40
means-
kilometer
divided
per
by
hour.
time.
Ma'am, 40 kilometer per hour.
Okay, so
Each to
first
6
find
kilometer
out
per
how
hour.
much it is traveling in 1 hour. The same thing that we did in the previous question.
Ma'am, in 1 hour, 40 kilometers.
Yes, because the speed is given in kilometers per hour. Is it?
Ma'am,
Per hour. So in 1 hour, how much it
Ma'am,
is
I got the
traveling?
answer as 2:3.
same,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, in 1 hour, how much the scooter is traveling?
Ma'am, scooter 40 kilometer per hour.
Okay, it's 40 kilometers, right?
And a train travels
And train travels
60 kilometer per
kilometers
hour.
per hour.
Okay, so that is 60 kilometers per hour. Now please find the ratio of this. What is
Ma'am,
the
40 by 60, 2:3, ma'am.
2:3.
ratio of
2:3.
this speed?
Yeah, ma'am.
How much it is?
Ma'am, 2:3.
2:3. Okay, is everyone getting the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Great,
ma'am.
great. Okay, now see the next one. An office opens at 9 a.m. and closes at 5:30 p.m. with a lunch break of 30 minutes. What is the ratio of lunch break to the total periods in the office? Okay, ratio of lunch break is for 30 minutes and the working hours are from 9 to 5:30. So just work out how many working hours are there. 9 to 5:30.
Ma'am, 8 hours and 30 minutes.
8 hours and 30 minutes. So convert that 8 hours to total minutes.
Ma'am,
Convert
Ma'am,
8
you
hours,
say-
30 minutes to minutes.
1:7. Ma'am, I got 1:7.
Okay, so convert it to minutes.
No, ma'am. 1
because-
is to 17. 1 is to 17.
Okay, because the lunch break is given in minutes. Okay, so you convert this. When you convert 8 hours to minutes, so that will be 8 into 60 plus 30 minutes. So that's 8 6 the 48, 0 plus 30. So you get this, it's done here. 510.
Ma'am, 510.
10 minutes. Now you can find the ratio of lunch
ma'am.
break
30
to that
by-
of the total period. So that's
And
the
510 by 30, we can cancel the
ratio.
zeros.
Yes, so that is 30 minutes by 510.
No, ma'am, I did it wrong.
You did it wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, make a correction now. Okay,
Ma'am,
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I got it. I got the same answer, ma'am. I did it in the other way.
okay.
ma'am, when they're saying what is the ratio of lunch break to total period in the office, ma'am, in total period of the office, you're including the lunch break too.
Oh, no. Yes, we have to exclude your true. Very nice, Ritesh. You got the right point. Great. Thumbs up. Yes. So we have to reduce the time period. This we forgot. Okay.
Ma'am,
the
see
total period
which
is, so that means out of 510, we have to reduce 30 minutes of the lunch break
480.
also, no? So it is 480.
Yes, sir.
So that will be 480. Instead of 510 here, you will write 480. Yes, Ritesh. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So that is 30
1
by
is to 16. 1 is to 16.
1 is to 16.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. 1 is to 16. Okay. Now Hridesh Maji is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Hridesh, you read this question number 60.
Teacher, 1 minute.
What happened?
1 minute, teacher.
Be loud.
1 minute, teacher.
Okay, then Adrit, you read this question. Adrit, read the question, beta. Hridesh will
Yes,
read the
ma'am.
next question. Let him
The
settle.
shadow of a 3-meter long stick is 4-meter long. At the same time of the day, if the shadow of a flagstaff is 24-meter long, how tall is the flagstaff?
23.
Okay, the shadow of a 3-meter long stick is 4-meter long. Okay, the shadow is given. Okay, the stick is the shadow of a 3-meter long stick. 3 meter is the stick and 4 meter is its shadow. Okay, at the same time of the day, if the shadow of a flagstaff is 24-meter long, shadow of a
Ma'am,
flagstaff is 24-meter long, how tall is the flagstaff? So let the flagstaff be x. So that's, we'll take the ratio of the objects and ratio of their shadows.
And
So just-
22 meters.
Yes. Please find out. Okay, so that's 3 into 24 by 4. So 4, 6 is 24. 6, 3 is 18. That's coming 18.
Ma'am, I got the same 18.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, 18 meters.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Dinesh.
how did you got like that? The formula. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay.
but I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
But
Ask.
if 3 into x, like 3x it will be, and 4 divided by 24. So if 3x comes here, it will be divided. So 4 into 24 by 3 it should be.
It's not 3x, it's 3 by x. It's a ratio.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
If
it's
a
a
division
ratio.
comes to the other
One
side,
side
it
I
will
have taken, yes, one side I have taken the ratio of objects, and one side I have taken the ratio of their shadows. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
and then I cross multiplied it. Why did I do that? Because I know that product of means is equal to product of extremes. You know that, no? Product, if I have two ratios, 3:x and other ratio 4:24. So its product of means is equal to product of extremes. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Hridesh, are you settled now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Let's see this question. We'll move ahead. Okay, Hridesh, do this. Read this question.
In a school, the ratio of the number are large.
The number of large classrooms.
Two small classrooms, 3.4.
15, ma'am.
3:4. Wait,
Three.
Rishi.
3:4. If the number of the small rooms is 20, then find the number of large rooms.
So in a school, the ratio of large classrooms and small classrooms is 3:4. If the number of small classrooms are 20, then what is the number of large rooms?
Ma'am,
Please
15,
tell me.
ma'am. I got the
15.
answer.
Ma'am, 15.
How are you saying this 15, Hridesh?
Ma'am,
Tell me.
directly we can do it.
Wait, I'm asking Hridesh. Yes, Hridesh? Tell me.
Teacher, because
Put on your video first.
yeah. Ma'am, I'm visible.
Okay. Yes, you are visible. Yes. Tell me now, how did you find out that?
Yeah, ma'am. We have to multiply 3 by x, and after that, you have to take the small number and multiply it.
Which small number? The ratio is given 3:4. Okay. And the ratio of large classroom, that means large classrooms are in the ratio of 3x. Smaller classrooms are in the ratio of 4x. So if the small rooms are 20, it's saying if the small rooms are 20, then larger
3
rooms are
fives are
how many?
15. Teacher,
3
when we
fives are 50. Tell me. So when you cross,
because 4 fives, teacher, 4 fives are 15. So 3, how
4
3?
5, huh?
Sorry, 4
4
fives are
5.
20. So 3 up also have to do 3 fives, which is 15.
Okay. Okay.
Then we have to
Okay, now Sritej will read the next question.
multiply it.
Sritej.
Yes, ma'am. Samira
Hmm.
sells newspapers at Janpath Crossing daily. On a particular day, she had 312 newspapers out, of which 216 are English and remaining are Hindi. Find the ratio in A, the number of English newspapers to the number of Hindi newspapers, and in B, the number of Hindi newspapers to the total number of newspapers.
Okay, so please write your statement. How many are the total newspapers? How many are English newspapers and how many are Hindi newspapers?
Ma'am, do you want me to tell you?
Write in your books.
Okay, ma'am.
Write in your books and tell me also. As you will tell me, I will write here.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, tell me how many are the Hindi newspapers, Ritesh?
Ma'am, now Hindi newspaper is equals to total newspaper minus English newspapers.
Okay, how much did you get that?
1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, is it 96?
Okay. Yes. Now find the A part. The number of English newspaper to the number of Hindi newspaper. Please find the ratio of
Ma'am,
English to Hindi.
ma'am, number of English newspaper is equals to 216 and Hindi newspaper is equals to 96. Ratio is equal to 216 to 96 and we have to do it in simplest form.
Yes, do it in the simplest form and tell me the reduced form.
Okay. Ma'am, actually I got the A answer.
You got what?
Ma'am, the A bit answer.
A answer. What is the A answer?
Ma'am, 9:4.
9:4. Is everyone getting 9:4?
Ma'am, I did not do it.
Okay, do.
Ma'am, I got 9:4.
9:4. Okay. Rishit also got 9:4.
And I
Others?
also got 9:4.
Okay. That means if all are getting the same answer. Okay, now see the number of Hindi newspapers to the total number of newspapers. Ritesh, tell me what will you do here?
Ma'am, number of Hindi newspapers is equals to 96. Number of total newspaper is equals to 312. So we have to do it in the simplest form.
So do it in the simplest form. Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, is it 4:13?
Ma'am, I also got 4:13.
Okay. All are getting the same answers. So, okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Same 4:13.
Okay. I'm writing your answer. I have not worked out here. I have just written the big ratio. It's you who is telling me the reduced form. Okay. So whatever reduced form you get, that will be the simplest one. Okay. Now Divesh is very quiet today. What happened? Divesh. Now this is Divesh's turn. Divesh, you read this question. Question
Okay,
number
ma'am.
65.
When Chinmay visited Chaupati at Mumbai on a holiday, he observed that ratio of North Indian food stalls to South Indian food stalls is 5:4. If the number of food stalls is 117, find the number of each type of food stalls.
Yes. So did you understand the question, Divesh?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, Divesh, read again.
Teacher,
Yes.
teacher, the B1 I'm not getting, teacher.
What happened? Your PA1?
No, B1 update I'm not getting.
After 10, you are not getting which B1? The above question, B part.
Yeah, above question.
So it's 96 upon 312. Find the ratio in the lowest form. Now see, both are even numbers. You can reduce it with 2, 4. Try with 2, 4, 8.
Okay.
Try with such numbers. Okay. Others, please do this question number 65. This one. When Chinmay visited Chowpatty at Mumbai on a holiday, he observed that the ratio of North Indian food stalls to South Indian food stalls is 5:4. If the total number of food stalls are 117, find the number of each type of food stall. So the ratio.
I'm 65 North Indian and 52 South Indian.
Okay. Wait for others also. Yes, Devesh, what will we do first? Tell me the first step.
Teacher, it's 3/7.
Ma'am, so the 5 and
Teacher.
4 multiply one other number, so we'll do
Wait,
like
don't speak in between. Just wait for a moment.
5x is to 4x equals to 117. So
Okay.
the both variables are same, so we can add. So 9x is to 117.
9x is to 117.
170.
No, you are saying 9x is equal to this. Okay, this you are
Yes,
saying.
ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is your value of x here?
And x will be 9 into 12.
Yes.
Let me do.
Okay. So I've taken
Ma'am,
5.
Teacher.
Yes,
Teacher.
Ma'am, it's 13.
13.
It's
Ma'am, it's
13.
13.
Okay. 1 second, Ridesh. North Indian food stalls are 5x and South Indian food stalls are.
Ma'am, so 5x will be 9 into 5, which is 45.
No, x is coming 13. No, you got x 13, Divesh.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
5 into 13 will be. And 4 into 13 will be
65 and 52.
65 and 52. Okay. So
Yes,
the
ma'am.
65 are the North Indian food stalls, 52 is the South Indian food stalls.
Yes, ma'am, I got the same answer.
Yes. Okay, now tell me, Ridesh.
Teacher, but mine is coming 3:7.
So do it carefully, try.
Teacher, I've done it carefully only.
Okay. Now see first if we do with small numbers first, okay?
Teacher, you have to take first 2.
Okay. So I have
Sorry,
taken
3. You have to take 3 as 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6.
Okay, 32. Okay, then
3 1s are 3 4s are 34.
104, not 14. You're doing with dividing 312 by 3, no? So
Yeah.
3 1s are 3, then you have 0. If one cannot go with 3. So that's 0.
No,
then
teacher.
What
We
happened?
can take one number for 2. Teacher, as 3 and 312 is there. First we take 3 1s are 3, 0.
Please divide this and tell me the answer.
Ma'am is equals to 3.
Teacher, see teacher.
Not, my dear. When you divide 312 with 3, you have this. I have to teach you division now, Ridesh. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now you have
Teacher, it's correct only.
You have taken down 1 here. Can 1 be divided by 3? Can you divide this? Yes or no?
So I will take 2, no teacher.
So when you will take 2 down, then you will put 1 0 here. Okay. You get it?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
We'll put 1 0 here. Now 3 4 is 12. Got it?
So 104, 96. Sorry.
32 by 104. And now 32 by 104, when you divide this by 8, both numerator and denominator, you get 4 by 13.
Okay. Then further we can't divide it. So okay, teacher, I understood.
Okay, let me find out who has not got that turn now. Adrit has got, Ritesh has got, Divesh has got, Ridesh has got, Ashwath has got, Rishit has taken so many turns. Rishit himself has taken so many turns. Okay, Rishit.
Okay.
Okay, do this. Question number 52.
At the parking stand of Ramila ground, Karthik counted that there are 115 cycles, 75 scooters, and 45 bikes. Find the ratio of the number of cycles to the total number of vehicles. First, we need to add all the vehicles, ma'am.
Yes, yeah, you have to add all the vehicles. So all the vehicles are added here. Do it. You do it yourself.
Ma'am, total there are 235 vehicles, ma'am.
Yes. And then
So
find the ratio.
Ma'am, is it 23:47?
23 is to 47. Let me check.
Ma'am, 115 by
Number of cycles is number of cycles is 115 and total vehicles are 235. Okay, please find out. You can cancel with 5. Tell me the reduced form of this.
Ma'am, 23:47.
23 is to 45. Okay, let me
47.
check.
47.
47.
Yes, ma'am.
Check with others also. Others also, please tell the answer.
Ma'am, the answer is 23:47, ma'am.
Okay, 23 is not a number, it cannot be reduced further.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, I also got 23.
Yes, 5 2s is 10, 3, 23. Okay. Let's move ahead. A train takes 2 hours to travel from Ajmer to Jaipur, which are 130 kilometers apart. How much time will it take to travel from Delhi to Bhopal, which are 780 kilometers apart, if the train is traveling at the uniform speed? So it's a very simple question. One side take the ratio of the distance, one side take the ratio of time. Cross multiply it.
Ma'am, I got the answer as 1 day, 12 hours.
Okay. Let's check with others.
Teacher, I'm not able to get it.
Okay. See here. A train takes 2 hours to travel from Ajmer to Jaipur, which is 130 kilometers apart. Now, to travel this much of the distance, the train is taking 2 hours. This much you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, teacher.
You
Yes,
understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
To cover this much of the distance, 130, train is taking 2 hours. And how much time will it take to travel from Delhi to Bhopal, which are 780 kilometers apart? Now, to travel this much of the distance, how much time will the train take? So that I am taking as X. You understood this much line?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ridesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Now one side I am taking the ratio of their distance, 130 by 780. And on the other side, I am taking the ratio of the time, that is 2 hours by x hours. Okay, since both the units are same.
Now I
Alright.
got the answer as 12 hours.
Okay, great, Vichi. Now,
Ma'am, is it okay if we do in
yes, unitary method also you're fine.
Okay, ma'am.
So now you cross multiply it and you can find this becomes 130 into x and this becomes 2 into 780. From here, you can find the value of x, Videsh.
Yeah, ma'am.
So 130 is multiplying here, then it goes on the other side of equal to sign, it becomes
Division.
divide. Okay, like this.
And we
So-
can cancel 2 and 130.
So when you just reduce with to simpler form,
40, ma'am.
40.
40. No, ma'am, wait.
Okay, this can go with 6, 13, 6.
Yeah, ma'am.
So that is 12. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I got it.
Okay, so that means the train is taking 12 hours to cover 780
80
kilometers.
kilometers.
Now you understand, Hridesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Ashwath, you read this question. Where is Ashwath?
The length and breadth of a school ground are 150 meters and 90 meters respectively, while the length and breadth of a Mela ground are 210 and 126 meters respectively. Are these measurements in proportion?
Now the question is asking you, are these measurements in proportion? That means are the two ratios equal? You know, to prove something as a proportion, we need to prove that the ratios are equal. Okay. So one side, what it is given, the ratio of length and breadth, that is 150 to 90. And on the other side, the ratio of Mela dimensions are given, length of Mela ground and breadth of Mela ground, that is 210 to 126. Please find out the ratio, reduce it to lower form and check whether are they equal. Please check, are they equal? Hello, are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we are doing.
Yes, do.
Yes, ma'am. They are in proportion.
They are in proportion.
Yes, ma'am. 100%.
Everyone got?
Ma'am, shall I say how I did?
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, first I divided 150 with 90. So I got the answer as 5 by 3. So the same thing I did it with 210 and 126.
Mm-hmm.
So I got the answer as 5 to 3. 5 by 3.
5 by 3.
Yes.
Okay. Others also got the same? Others also got the same?
1 minute, ma'am.
What number did you use for this?
And for 510 and 90, I used I cancel 0 and I used 3 table. And for 210 and 126, I used 2 table.
Okay.
No, ma'am, I used 3 table, 3 tables.
Okay.
For 210 and 126.
Hmm. 3, you use the table of 3 here.
Yes, ma'am, near 210 and 126.
So this is becomes 70 and 3 4 is 12, 2 is 6. Now again you can reduce this. With 7 I can do 7 10s are 7 6 are 42. Again I can reduce 2 3s are 2 5s are.
Ma'am, I got the answer as proportion.
Yes, so both are in proportion. When the two ratios are equal, that means they are in proportion. So this is how you can say.
And this proportion, finding that they are in proportion questions are easy, ma'am.
Yes. Now see in the next question. Okay, there is a figure. Let's move ahead.
There is no finger, ma'am.
Okay, let's do this question. Who will read this question? Sritej, you read this question. Sritej, read this question number 70.
A tea merchant blends two varieties of tea, costing her 234 rupees and 130 rupees per kg in the ratio of their costs. If the weight of the mixture is 84 kg, then find the weight of each variety of tea.
Now, in this question, 2 varieties of teas are mixed. You know, and after mixing, what is the weight of the mixture? That is 84 kgs. So now you have to find how much of each variety is mixed. Weight of each variety of tea. Okay. So the ratio is given to you. The tea blends 2 varieties of tea costing rupees 234 and 130 per kg in the ratio of their cost. So this is the cost only which is given. So this is the ratio. That means 234 is to 130 is the ratio given. Okay, here. Okay. Are you understanding? The same thing is given in the question.
Yes,
the
ma'am.
cost of 1 kg is given in the ratio of their cost. It said in the ratio of their cost. So when rupees is there, that means it's cost itself. Okay. So this is the ratio that is given in the question. Now sum of the ratios, when you will find
Yes,
the sum of the ratios, that is this much. 234 plus 130. That means when you are adding these two cost, so the total cost becomes 364 per
364.
kg. Now total weight of the mixture is also given to you, which is 84 kgs. Now how much is the weight of each variety of tea in the is given by. Now how much is the each variety? Now you have got the ratio also. Now if I have this ratio 234 by 130, can I reduce it to lower form?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
reduce this. Please reduce it to lower form and tell me what do you get. Reduce this to lower form.
Ma'am, I'm
Yes,
getting the
what is the
answer as 117 is to 65.
no 117 is so further it can be reduced. No, you are getting 117 by
Yes, ma'am.
60.
Yes, ma'am.
So it can go with the table of 13. Reduce it further. So with 13, when you do, you get 5 here and 9 here. So that's 9 is to 5.
Is to 5. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the ratio you get here is 9 is to 5. So that means this much part of the tea are blended. But we want to find the weight of each variety. But this is the ratio which we have got. So what you will do further is that which is not given here. Okay. So what you will do here, let the ratios be, let the tea blended be 9x. One first tea variety, let first two varieties are there, no? Let one variety be 9x and the other variety be 5x. Okay. All right. And the total is given to us 9x plus 5x is already given us, the total weight is given to us 84. Okay.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
so 14x will be 84. 14x equals to 84.
14x equals to 84. So now x will be equal to 84 by 14. So what do you get your x?
We get
Hmm.
and we get 42 is to 42 by 7.
In the table of 42, do you get 84?
Yes, ma'am. 42 twos are.
Ma'am, 14 into 6 equals to 84.
14 into 6.
So the x will be 6.
6, ma'am.
Okay. So
I
that is
cancelled
6.
it, so I got 6.
Okay, 14, 6 is 24. Okay, 84. So you're getting, that means x is 6. Now 9x will, that means first variety will be 9 into 6, which is equal to 54 kgs. And the second variety will be 5x, which is equal to 5
34 kg, 30 kg.
which is 30 kgs. So that means you have got both varieties. So that means first variety, I can write here, first variety of tea is 54 kgs. And the second variety of tea is
30 kg.
30 kgs. Okay. So did you understand this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So if you get such type of question in your exam, which has multiple steps, so these questions comes for larger number. Okay, maybe 4 marks question or 6 marks question, whatever. Okay, because in this question, first you had to find the ratio.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
And the question was somewhat that some children might not get to know what is the ratio. Although they have given you the cost also, and in the question itself, they have told you that the ratio, this is the ratio of their cost. So the cost is already given to you. That was the ratio. Okay.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's move ahead. Now, I want some other who will read the next question, that is Hridesh. Hridesh will read the next question. Hridesh. Where is Hridesh? Where is Hridesh? Hridesh. Read the next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 17.
An alloy contains two zinc.
Alloy.
An alloy
What is an alloy?
contains.
What is an alloy?
I don't know,
A
teacher.
mixture of minerals.
Ma'am,
A mixture of
You have
minerals.
studied in science. What is an
Yes,
alloy?
ma'am.
What is it? Yes.
A
What is
mixture
alloy?
of.
We had a question like about magnets. Magnets are made up of alloy.
Okay. So Ashwath, what is an alloy? No, not Ashwath. I'm asking Hridesh. Hridesh,
Teacher, I don't know, teacher.
mixture of two elements. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
That is an alloy.
Okay, an alloy contains zinc and copper, and they are ratio 7 and 9. If the weight of the
7:9. Please don't read the ratio like this. 7 and 9. It's been a second week now. I'm teaching you ratios. Still you are reading the ratio as 7 and 9. Do you read the ratio like this? What are the two dots?
ma'am, is 2.
is 2.
We read it as is 2.
7 is to 9. If the weight of the alloy is 8 kilo, then find the weight of the copper in the alloy.
So what will you do in this question?
Teacher, first we take the ratio.
Which ratio?
Teacher, 7 is to 9.
What will you do with that?
Teacher will take it and we will I don't know, teacher. What's the further step? Can you make me learn?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, who's there? Who's saying?
Ma'am, Ashwath.
Yes, Ashwath, tell me.
Ma'am, we should add the ratios. We should convert 8 kgs into grams. Ma'am,
No,
can we
see,
convert?
you can convert, but you're not required here. It's not required here.
I did, but I am getting it the answer in a fractional form.
No, me too.
See,
I
Ashwath,
got the answer as 9 by
Ashwath, whatever you told just now was absolutely correct. You said first we will take the ratios, we will add them. So let the copper and zinc proportion be 7x. Let zinc be say 7x. Okay, and copper. I'm taking symbol for this. Do you know this is a symbol for copper? Cu?
Yes, ma'am. See you.
Okay, Cu is copper. So that is 9x. Okay. Now if
Ma'am, so the
weight of the alloy,
total
so
is
when I
16x.
wait, so when I add both of these, I get 9 plus 7 is 16x. Okay. When I add both of these, I'll get 16x, which is equal to 8 kgs of the total weight of the alloy. Okay, so that
Yes,
means
ma'am.
x is 1 by 2, 8 by 16, no? I got x as 8 by 16 like this, which is equal to 1 by 2, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so that means how much is the zinc? Weight of the zinc is 7 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 7 by 2 kgs.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Copper is 9 by 2 kg.
9 into 1 by 2, that is 9 by 2 kgs.
Yeah, ma'am. I got the same.
Okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Others, did you understand? Adrit, Sritej, Divesh.
Yes, ma'am, I understood.
Where is Divesh? I can't see Divesh on the seat.
Ma'am, Divyesh became invisible.
Divesh, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let's move ahead. Okay, let's see this one. What question is this? Divesh, you read this question. A car can travel.
Okay, ma'am. A car can travel 240 kilometers in 15 liters of petrol. How much distance it will travel in 25 liters of petrol?
Yes, please find out this.
Ma'am, we should take the petrol on one side and kilometers on another side.
Yes, you can do with the unitary method also. You can do with the proportion method also. Please do it.
Okay,
Everyone,
ma'am.
please do. Please do, Adrit. Did you understand the question? Yes. Do. Ridesh. Where is Ridesh? Ridesh is not answering.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ridesh, did you understand the question?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, please do. And don't put off your video.
Teacher, I'm here only the mouse pointer. It takes some time to open,
You can
unmute
click the
it.
space bar.
Put on your video, Ridesh. Yes, now keep it on only. No need to off. Put it off, okay? Do this question.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I got the wrong answer, ma'am.
How do you know your answer is wrong?
Ma'am, because I got less than 240.
Okay. So it has to be if it's 25 liters, definitely it will run more. Okay.
Ma'am, I think the car will give less mileage.
So
in
one.
way.
Okay. There is some fault in the car.
I think the tank is full, it's leaking.
Okay.
Ma'am, I got 400 kilometers.
400 kilometers. Okay, great. Okay, now one side you can take the ratio of the distance, one side you can take the ratio of the quantity of the fuel. Okay, so that is in 240 kilometers. The
Yes, ma'am, I did wrong. Now I also got the 400 kilometers. I forgot to add the
Okay.
zero.
Yes, ma'am. Me too, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got 400 kilometers. Is it correct?
Okay, that's correct.
Ma'am, before I did 15 into 240 by 25, but now I did 240 into 25 by 15.
Okay.
I
Okay.
got 400.
So you must write like this. That means 240 kilometer. The car is traveling in 50 liters. Okay, in
Yes.
15 liters. In for how much it will travel in 25 liters? That is x kilometers. Okay, so just take the ratio of this side, and equate it. Okay, so 240 by x and 15 by 25. Just find the value of x from here. So that means x is 240 into 25 upon 15. So just reduce it to lower form. Whatever you can cancel, please do and give the value of x.
400.
400. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can
Ma'am,
cancel
cancel
3
25.
into 5 and 3 into 5. 5 into 3 and 5 into 5.
Okay, either way you can cancel. You can cancel
So
this
it
also,
will
you
be
can cancel this also.
5 into 240 by 3 and
Yes, ma'am.
3 and 240 we can cancel. It will be 5
80.
into 80, which is 400.
400.
Yes,
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Ridesh, show me your notebook. What have you done, Ridesh? Ridesh, show me your calculation.
Teacher, I haven't noted it.
You haven't noted it. So
Yeah.
there was nothing to note down. I was telling you to calculate. Do yourself. I didn't give you anything to note down.
No, teacher, I was thinking it. I'm thinking the question.
Ridesh, you're not doing the work, it seems. Please do the question and tell me the answer. Although you are sitting in front of the screen, but every time you are saying, I have not done, I have not done, I have not done. Quickly give me the answer. The class time is over. Hurry up.
Car can travel 204. Teacher, a car can travel 240 kilometers and 15 liters of petrol. How much distance will it travel in 25 liters of petrol? Okay.
Hurry up, I'm giving you 1 minute.
First, we take 240. We take 240 by x. 50 liters. So liters also will take. Other side. Then we should reciprocal means multiply, cross multiply, which is nothing but 240 by 15 into 25 into 25.
Okay, children, your class test is live. Objective test is
Yes,
live.
ma'am.
Okay, so you can do the test and wish you all the best for that. Class time is
Thank you,
over.
ma'am.
Others can leave the class. Ridesh will
Thank
just
you.
take
Thank
the
you,
answer.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Bye, bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye, bye, bache. Ridesh, you give me the answer and you can also leave them.
Teacher, till here I have done, teacher.
What have you done here?
I
So
have
give me
cross
the answer. Yes, give me the answer. Reduce it to lower form.
lower form.
Yes.
Okay, teacher.
You just had to find how much distance it can travel. There is no lower form in that. Okay, anyways, do the cancellation.
375 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, which is 1. Again we add 7. 2 ones are 2, 6 are 18, 8, 6 2 are 12. 7 2 are 14. 2 8 are 16. 9 2 are 18. So I will take 2 8 are 16 minus 15. 1 minute. 4 divided 375.
What did you get?
Teacher, 1 minute. 3 5 are 15. Teacher, will 3 divided by 240 go?
3 and 240. Try and see.
Try
and see.
1 minute.
What is the divisibility rule for 3?
Teacher, we have to divisibility rule of 3 is you have to sum of all numbers.
Yes. So do the sum of all numbers.
4
240.
5 6 6. Teacher, 3 8s are 24. Again 0 0 we have to add an extra 0 up, which is equals to 125 by 80. Yeah, teacher, further that can you tell me?
So tell me how much the train will travel in 25 liters? Car will travel in 25 liters?
Teacher, I didn't get, but I have cancelled. Lowest one I've done. It's 125 by 80.
What is that? 125 by 18 is what?
125 by 80. It's not 18.
80. 80. So, okay. What is this?
Teacher, when we divide 3, cancel 375 by 240, the answer is 125 by 80.
What are you doing? It's saying the car travels 240 kilometers in 15 liters. Okay. You get this?
240 kilometer in 50 liter of petrol. Then
15,
how much will it?
15.
Then how much it will travel in 25 liters?
Okay. So how much distance will it travel in 25 liters? So in 25 liters, how much distance will it travel? So that you have to find out what is this value of x. So to find this value of x, what will you do? One side I take the ratio of the distance. Okay.
Okay.
Understood this much? One side I will take the ratio of the distance, and on the other side I will take the ratio of the quantity of fuel. Quantity of the fuel. How much fuel is used? So for 15 liters.
Which is 15, first 15 by 25. You have to cross multiply it. Am I right?
Yes, cross multiply. Okay. Then when you cross multiply, you get 15 into x. And on the other side, you get 240 into 25.
No, 25 into 25
then x,
into.
to find the value of x, you get 240 into 25 by 15. When 15 comes on other side of equal to sign, it gets divided. Okay. You understood this much?
Yeah, that
now
much
when I
understood.
reduce this with 5 3s is
Teacher, 5 3s and 5 5s.
Now 3 and 240 can also be reduced. 3 8s is 24 and 0. So this is 80 into multiply by 5. So this becomes
5 8s are 40. 5 8s are
40.
40. 1 extra 0 I have to add. Okay,
So
teacher,
that
I got
became
it.
400. Now this is what we had taken 400 was the distance that it was traveling in 25 liters. So this is kilometers. Now you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And be attentive in the class.
Okay.
Okay. You are not
Teacher,
attentive. You are not
actually,
attentive in the class.
no,
Yes.
teacher, actually it was taking time to, like,
No,
what-
time you
unmute.
took afterwards. But before, until I asked you, you were not doing anything. You said, ma'am, I'm thinking. What were you thinking?
Teacher, the question.
You could ask me the question, ma'am. I did not understand the question. Please explain me. And definitely I'll explain the question again. Okay?
Okay.
So be attentive. You can leave now. Thank you so much.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.